Hello friends, it was another incredibly hot day in Southern California, which means that I am limited to when I can work on my garden. It's usually really early in the morning or late in the evening, so today I have some time to focus all of my plant loving energy on this planter here. And this tree was a gift from my father-in-law. It's called a Dracaena Marginata, and he has a couple of them in his garden, so he was gracious enough to gift me one, and I decided to put it in this planter here. But it has been missing something, and that something is succulents. So I am going to go ahead and start planting some succulents in it now. So this tree is in really good health, growth there, which is really awesome. And I'm going to be adding some succulents that I had laying around, and then others that were also gifts. This one here was a gift from my neighbor. She surprised me a few weeks ago, and it was on my front porch, and she left this for me, so that was really, really awesome. So I'm going to use this here. So I am going to loosen the soil. I'm not going to replace the soil. This tree was recently put in here, and it has cactus soil, and succulent soil in it already, so I'm not going to be replacing it. It's pretty fresh soil. So I'm just loosening the soil so that I can put in some of these succulents. I'll be using a variety of succulents. Some of them are hanging. I have this really beautiful trailing jade that I'll be using, and once this jade gets stressed by the sun, it turns a beautiful purple color, so I can't wait for that to happen. I'm going to plant this little guy here, and I can't wait for it to take off. Although I don't know if this is going to do pretty well in the sun. We're going to see. Now this one here, I'm not really digging it into the soil. It's kind of flat. The roots are a little bit flat, so I'm going to place it on top of the soil. And the roots should find their way into the existing soil. I'll have to put pieces, one piece at a time. So let's start with this one. Let's get it in there deep, since it's pretty long. Whoa. This one has a ton of little babies, but I'm going to keep them on here because I want them to get a little bit larger. Right. All the succulents that I wanted to use are now in, and I'm going to go ahead and put the rock as top dressing. Am I getting it in there? Did I even put this guy in? Yeah, it's in. It's in. I think this is looking really nice. The top dressing is just a game changer. Oh, I just don't like when I put it on top of the petals of the Echeverias. Don't want to damage them. I have one final piece that I'm going to add to this planter, and I can't wait. I'm so excited. I got it on sale at Hobby Lobby, and the best time to shop for seasonal things is off season, so they're trying to get rid of all their spring decorations. So I was there a couple weeks ago and I picked up a bunch of stuff, 75% off. I was so excited. And I know a lot of people do that when it comes to Christmas. After Christmas, they'll hit the stores, even though they're probably exhausted from all the Christmas shopping, to get decorations. And a lot of those decorations are incredibly cheap right after the holiday's over. I think I'm done with the top dressing. Let's go get the final piece that's going to go in here. Let me move everything out of the way. This is the cutest little flamingo I got from Hobby Lobby, and it's going to go right in the center. Awkward. I'm going to add some water just so you could see the pretty rocks. There we go. I want to thank all of you so much for watching. Your support means so much to me. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below. Ciao.